We stand here today with tremendous respect to the judiciary of our country. While we respect the ruling of the High Court, we totally and fundamentally disagree with the interpretation of the law and application of facts. The long-standing legal principle of natural justice and the right to a fair hearing has been trashed and ignored in broad daylight. What a sad day for those whom have undergone this in the past and those who face the same in future. We shall proceed to file an appeal at the Court of Appeal on the decision and hope that justice shall prevail. The framers of the Constitution provided for an appellate and Supreme Court. We believe we shall fight to get justice one day. Dear great people of Kenya, just like the millions of you, I'm shocked by the 350-page decision of the three-judge bench of the High Court of Kenya, pronouncing itself and holding that my right to fair hearing under Article 50 of the Constitution was violated, and then ironically purporting to uphold the impeachment. It is lost on all of us how the actions and decisions of Parliament, categorically determined by the three-judge bench as unconstitutional and a product of an unfair process, can then be deemed valid by the same bench. Those contradictions are an abuse to the intelligence of the people of Kenya who are following the process and the judgment many hours on. The fundamental right to fair hearing, guaranteed under Article 50 of the Constitution, determined to have been violated, is amongst a set of constitutional provisions protective of every Kenyan facing any accusation. Article 25 of our Constitution provides rights that are non-derogable. They cannot be limited under any circumstances. And the core is the provision to fair trial. The right to fair hearing bound by Article 50, and in regard to the process, Article 47 demands fair process requiring mandatory fair hearing. We strongly observe that the impeachment process was found faulty by the three-judge bench for failure to respect my right to fair hearing in the violation of Article 25, 47, and 50 of the Constitution. Once that determination was made, the entire process collapsed and was null and void. There was no impeachment.